Craving a sweet treat that's light, satisfying, and guilt-free? Get ready to revolutionize your dessert game with this incredible creamy yogurt jell-o recipe. It's a simple, delicious way to enjoy dessert without compromise. Imagine a dessert that's airy like a mousse, refreshing like jell-o, and packed with goodness. By simply swapping some water for yogurt, we create a delightful, creamy texture. This isn't just a dessert. It's a healthy alternative to ice cream, perfect for summer or any time you need a light, satisfying treat. It's surprisingly easy to make. This recipe is a dream for health-conscious individuals and those on restricted diets. It's low in calories and fat, with only about 2 grams of fat per serving. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free, making it suitable for many dietary needs. It's also a fantastic option for Weight Watchers members, easily trackable for your points. You can even opt for low-fat, non-dairy yogurt for an extra healthy twist. This dessert truly fits into a balanced lifestyle. One of the standout features of this creamy jell-o is its high protein content. We use plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, which is a powerhouse of protein. This means your dessert isn't just tasty, it's also incredibly satisfying. The protein helps keep you feeling full longer, curbing those unhealthy snack cravings. It's the perfect way to enjoy a sweet treat while supporting your nutritional goals. You'll love how few ingredients you need for this delectable dessert. All you require is sugar-free jell-o powder, water, and plain Greek yogurt. These affordable and straightforward ingredients combine to create maximum sweetness and satisfaction. The beauty of this recipe lies in its versatility. You can customize it endlessly by changing jell-o flavors or adding various healthy toppings. Get creative and find your favorite combinations. Making creamy yogurt jell-o is incredibly simple and takes just a few steps. First, add your sugar-free jell-o powder to a bowl with 1 cup of boiling water. Stir vigorously until the powder is completely dissolved. Next, let the mixture cool down until it's lukewarm, not hot. This step is crucial to prevent curdling. Once cooled, whisk in 1 cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt until all lumps are dispersed and the mixture is smooth and creamy. For the best results, ensure your jell-o mixture has cooled slightly before adding the yogurt. Adding cold yogurt to hot jell-o can cause it to curdle, leading to an unpleasant texture. Aim for both components to be at a similar, lukewarm temperature. Using a whisk is the simplest and fastest way to combine the yogurt and jell-o. This ensures a perfectly smooth, mousse-like consistency. You can even let the yogurt sit out for 30 minutes beforehand to bring it closer to room temperature. The flavor possibilities are endless. Try and line jell-o with vanilla yogurt for a refreshing citrusy combination. Lemon and orange jell-o with vanilla yogurt also create an unforgettable fruity taste. Don't be afraid to experiment and discover new favorites. For easy portioning and serving, pour the mixture into individual ramekins, glasses, or small cups. Chill for at least 1 hour, or until fully set. This makes it perfect for meal prep or quick grab-and-go treats. This creamy yogurt jell-o is a fantastic way to enjoy a delicious dessert without the guilt. It's an ideal replacement for ice cream, offering a nutritious alternative that tastes just as good. Plus, it's a hit with both kids and adults. It's also an excellent way to use up any leftover jell-o in your pantry. This recipe is quick to prepare, comes out perfectly every time, and can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 hours. Ready to whip up this amazing creamy yogurt jell-o? It's the perfect blend of healthy and delicious, proving that you don't have to sacrifice taste for wellness. Try this recipe today and share your favorite flavor combinations in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more healthy and helpful recipes.